Here's how to remove the PIN or password on your Android phone. Now you can see on my Android phone, if I go to unlock it, it does ask for the PIN or maybe ask for your password. To be able to remove that so that you can basically just open up without that, you can always take your finger and swipe up and then tap on the Settings app on your Android phone. Now from the Settings app, let's remove that PIN or password by scrolling down and tapping on Lock Screen and AOD. And then you're going to choose Screen Lock and Biometrics. You'll need to enter in your current PIN, so let me just do that real quick. And after I've done that, instead of PIN, password, pattern, or swipe, I can set this to none. And then after I've done that, I can lock my phone and unlock it, and it just pops up just like that. I hope this helps. If you wouldn't mind, take a second and leave a comment down below with your feedback. Let me know, was this legitimately helpful to you? Did you like the pace on this? Or are you still having issues with your Android phone? Thanks, guys.